Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the text decoration property in CSS. You may be familiar with the basics like underlines and strike-throughs, but did you know that you can remove default text decorations as well? Let's get started. Following along from the previous videos, you should already have the index.html file set up to point to an external CSS file. From here, we're going to clear out the code inside the body tags. If you do not already have this set up, pause the video and take a moment to do so. I've also included links in the description where you can find the code to get you started. Also, open Live Server if you don't already have it open. First, in the index.html file, let's add a heading, 3 links, each inside their own div, followed by 3 short paragraphs. So the h1, I call this text decoration. Add a div and a link. I link this to Google. Give it a target of underscore blank. Call this one default decoration link. And I'm going to copy and paste this 2 more times. For the second one, I am going to call this underline decoration link. I'm also going to give this a class of underline. Then for the third one, I say no underline link. And give this one a class of no underline. Then right after my divs, I'm going to add 3 paragraphs. First one being the default paragraph. Second one, I'll say underline paragraph. And I'll also give this one a class of underline. Then for my third paragraph, I'll say crossed out paragraph. Give it a class of cross out. And over in the CSS file, let me clear out the styles from the previous video. I'm going to start decorating each one of the classes. So the dot underline, let me give that a text decoration of underline. And then let me give the no underline class a text decoration of none. And let me give the cross out a text decoration of line through, not strike through. So as you can see, the text decoration of underline for links is the same as the default. And the no underline is what's going to make it look different. For the default paragraph, you have no underline and no strike through. So when I give that a class of underline and a styling of text decoration set to underline, you're going to see that underline. Same thing with the light line through. And there you have it, text decoration in a nutshell. Experiment with these different values and see what unique effects you can create on your website. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description for additional resources. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.